Today on Kung Fu Maintenance, got a countertop repair for you, going from this to this, and it's not too difficult. My first attempt actually didn't work. There's a way to get a stronger bond from spray adhesives coming up next. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, I recently had a countertop that the laminate started to come unglued and start separating from the counter, and of course it's, soon after warranties expired. Countertop company thought that it was water damage, wanted to, give me a quote to replace the whole thing, which was, way expensive, whatever it was, $1,200, $1,600, $2,000, whatever it was for the entire countertop. I actually don't remember. I initially tried using the spray adhesive and tape to hold it. That didn't get it. What I wound up doing was using some self-tapping screws through some L brackets, and then using the spray adhesive. What you do is you spray it on both sides
between the
laminate
and the particle board.
Then spray it on again, wait another 5 minutes, and then go ahead and clamp it down. And so that's what I did, using a piece of molding in between the laminate and the wood. Here, I'm pulling it off the next day, let it dry 24 hours. You don't have to let it dry 24 hours, but I didn't want to take a chance with it. And then it's just a matter of cleaning up the leftover residue. Just took a razor blade and just kind of scraped it off and cleaned it off. You can use some goof off or whatnot to clean it off, clean off the residue, clean it up, and it's all fixed, done deal. Saved a ton of money and was a fairly easy repair. It just was tricky figuring out a way to clamp it. So again, I just used a piece of molding long enough and then some L brackets and some self-tapping screws that were shallow enough to not go too far into the countertop, but that clamped it and held it overnight so that it could dry, and it's a done deal, all fixed. Nice and easy. That's how it can be done. This is just the start of it. Of course, it can be prettied up a bit more. And this is what my Kung Fu Maintenance channel is all about, showing you ways that you can make repairs. My thought is the problems that you have are problems that are going to repeat themselves. If you can figure out an inexpensive and efficient, fast way of fixing things, then it just saves a lot of stress and a lot of money in the future. Thanks for watching. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.